Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and press the bell icon. Tailwind CSS version 4.0 was released on January 22, 2025, with some new features. With the release of Tailwind CSS version 4, the installation process has changed slightly. In this video, you will learn how to install Tailwind CSS version 4.0 in your Angular app. Before getting started, make sure you have Angular CLI version 19 or newer installed on your system. Click on the I button to watch the video. Go to the directory where you want to install your Angular app. Click here and type cmd to open command prompt. First, let's check the installed version of Angular CLI. Type the command ng-- version and press enter. You can see that the Angular CLI version is 19.1.4. Now, let's install Angular 19 app. Type the command ng space new space your project name and press enter. Now you will be asked to select stylesheet format, press enter for CSS. For server-side rendering, type N and press enter. It will take some time for the installation, so please wait until the download is finished. The download is complete. Now type the command cd your project name to navigate to the project directory. Open your project in Visual Studio Code. Open package.json file. Here you can see Angular version is 19.1.0. In the dev dependencies you can see the Angular CLI version is 19.1.4. Let's run our app. Click here and open a new terminal. Now click here and select command prompt to open a new command prompt. Type the command ng-serve and press enter to run your Angular app. Go to your browser and navigate to localhost :4200 and you will see Angular home page. Now let's install Tailwind CSS version 4.0. In Google, type Tailwind CSS and press enter. Click on this link. Here you will see Tailwind CSS version 4.0. If you click on the drop-down you will see older versions. Next, click on the docs link. Here you can see different ways to install Tailwind CSS 4.0. Click on Framework Guides. Next, click on Angular. Here are the steps to install Tailwind CSS. We have completed step 1 by installing Angular 19 with CSS. Now we will install Tailwind CSS. Copy this command. Click here and select command prompt to open a new command prompt. Paste the command which you have copied and press enter. Tailwind CSS has been installed. Open package.json file. Here you can see that the Tailwind CSS/post CSS version is 4.0.0, and Tailwind CSS is also at version 4.0.0. Next, we need to configure post CSS plugins. For that we need to create a .postcssrc.json file in the root of our project and add the Tailwind CSS/post CSS plugin to the post CSS configuration. Copy this file name. Right-click in the root of your project and select New File. Paste the file name which you have copied and the .postcssrc.json file will be created. Now we need to add the Tailwind CSS/post CSS plugin to the post CSS configuration. Copy this code. Paste the code inside .postcssrc.json file and save this file. Next we need to import Tailwind CSS in styles.css file. Copy this code. Open styles.css file which is inside src folder. Paste the code which you have copied. Next, we need to start the build process using the ngserve command, which we have already done. Finally, we can start using Tailwind CSS in our app. Copy this code. Open app.component.html file. Remove this code and paste the Tailwind CSS code which you have copied. Add text green 500 class. If you go to your browser, you'll see that the Tailwind CSS classes have not been applied. We need to restart the server. Open the terminal in which the server is running. Press Ctrl+C to stop the server and then restart the server using ngserve command. Now, if you go to your browser, you'll see that the Tailwind CSS classes have been applied properly. If you visit the Tailwind CSS blog, you'll find out what new features have been added. Scroll down. Let's see this new feature, 3D transform utilities. Copy this code. Remove this code and paste the code which you have copied. Here I have added the classes Flex, Item Center, Justify Center, HScreen BG Gray 800, which creates a Flex container that centers its content both vertically and horizontally, sets the height to 100% of the viewport, and applies a dark gray background. Then, I added an image inside the article element, which ensures the image has a maximum width of 3XL. The height and width are dynamically set to 300 and 400 pixels, respectively. Now, go to your browser, and you will see the image with the 3D transform effect using the new Tailwind CSS utilities. In this video, we learned how to install Tailwind CSS 4.0 in an Angular 19 app. We also demonstrated the new 3D transform utilities. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in next tutorial. Till then, stay safe.